guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the maple leaf charm and what it's basically for. So it summons the winds to bring forth rain. It is a legendary item and you will need to contribute to the fall bloom 13 times to unlock it. And then it basically just summons the rain weather. Here I'll show you charm. Okay, I have 4 apparently. So you're just going to click on it and it's, as you can see, going to summon the rain weather to your garden. As you can see, there's a 50% grow speed and a higher wet fruit chance. So if you need plants, you can summon this weather so that your plants can grow a little bit faster. So that is pretty much it. That's pretty much what it does. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.